If your life feels stuck, if your mornings feel heavy, and you wonder why nothing ever changes, listen closely, because you're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just running on the wrong habits. And today, I'll show you 7 powerful habits, small shifts with massive ripple effects that can rewire your life, your mindset, and even your future. This isn't about motivation, this is about transformation. Let's begin. Habit number 1, the 5-minute rule. If something takes less than 5 minutes, do it now. Wash that dish, answer that email, send that message. Momentum is built from motion, and motion is everything. Habit number 2, wake up 1 hour earlier. Not for hustle, not for the grind, but for you. An hour to breathe, plan, move, or sit in silence. 1 hour before the world demands your attention changes everything. Habit number 3, daily journaling. Write down your thoughts, what hurt, what helped, what you're grateful for. Your mind is loud. Putting it on paper gives it structure, clarity, peace. Habit number 4, say no without explaining. Every yes to others is a no to yourself. You don't need a full sentence to protect your energy. No is enough. Habit number 5, move your body daily. Not to lose weight, but to move pain. Walk, stretch, dance, lift. Emotions live in your muscles. Movement clears the emotional fog. Habit number 6, consume less, create more. Social media isn't the enemy, passivity is. Make one thing daily, a post, a journal entry, a voice memo. Be the artist of your life, not just a spectator. Habit number 7, ask, what if it works? Stop predicting failure. Ask, what if it works? One mindset shift can open doors you've been too scared to knock on. If just one of these habits hit you, you're already shifting. Hit subscribe because this is the journey we're walking together. And comment below, which habit will you start today?